I welcome R.S. Goswami ji, the former chairman of Enrollment Committee and also the chairman. Today he will also be addressing this August gathering. So, अरे बस खत्म होने को इतने में सीएम आने वाली है आपको मौका मिलेगा चिंता मत नहीं मैं तो अपने आप कर लूँगा डोंट वरी I am also elected member of the Bar Council of Delhi. I had been the honorary secretary and now as a co-chairperson I am this part of this organization. My journey started in 2001 when I got enrolled in Bar Council of Delhi. The best part about Bar Council of Delhi is that it is the easiest bar council to get enrolled, and you people are very lucky to get enrolled for a meager 600 rupees. Thanks to Justice Chandrachud who quashed it. But I tell you, once you become the member of Bar Association, because which is mandatory if you want to be part of all the welfare functions we have for Bar Council of Delhi. So you ought to be member of all bar associations, any bar association. For that you have to pay 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. It depends upon the bar fees. So here in Bar Council it is one time 600. I would like to share few things with you since you will be entering the best phase of your life, the professional life. So it comes with a lot of responsibility. The first responsibility comes that you need to be dressed smartly. Anytime you step out of the house, you have to be stepped smartly. अब वो दिन चले गए कहीं भी निक्कर और शॉर्ट्स में और कच्चे बनियान में निकल जाते थे. Those days are gone. So you are now, you'll be professional. So हाँ ठीक है, we'll take over, don't worry. और the second thing I want to share with you that this profession comes with a lot of responsibility as well. So once you enter the courtroom, you owe a duty towards yourself, how you dress. You owe a duty towards the court, how you address the court. You have to respect the court, and you owe a duty towards the other counsel. Three things are must in this profession. The first is hard work. Everybody knows it, but inculcate a habit of reading one judgment every day. It will help you. Command of English is very good. अगर हिंदी में भी करना चाहते हैं तो you should be thorough with your facts. तो जब भी जाए, have faith in yourself, have confidence in yourself कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ. So these are very important. और जब भी आप कोर्ट में घुसे तो हमेशा वेल प्रिपेयर्ड और परसिवरेंस. एक जो सिस्टम है उसको बना के रखना है. ऐसा नहीं कि एक केस में मेहनत कर ली और दूसरे केस में मेहनत नहीं करी. तो लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है, बोलने को तो मैं बहुत कुछ बोल सकता हूँ, किस दिन और शेयर करेंगे. I welcome you all. I congratulate you in advance because this is the first ceremony of Bar Council of Delhi like this. When you will be getting enrolled, everybody will be getting enrolled in one stroke. So I congratulate everybody. God bless you. And in case of any assistance, you can always contact me. My name is Ajendra Sangwan. By God's grace, I came first in 2018 election. Very shortly in December we will be having election. So I expect some votes from you. God bless you. Thank you.